Hi guys, for today's video, magmukbang ta. So my own version of cheesy cheese nachos. Meron akong Highland corned beef and cheese squeeze at saka mayonnaise. So my own version. So mukbang ta. Ali. Come. So kapag trip mo, gawin mo. Basta bumili ka, mas mahal. Yummy. Diba? Sarap. Mukbang. Sarap, oh. Mag-blend ang corned beef.